Hey guys, CJ here of Yugatech, and are you looking for a Xiaomi phone? Say no more, cause today's video is a rundown of Xiaomi smartphones released in 2023 for just under 15,000 pesos. This list includes the current pricing details, and you might be surprised by which phones got huge discounts. This list also covers budget phones starting at 4,000 pesos. So without further ado, let's get started. Quick disclaimer, this list compiles all Philippine releases in 2023, showing a mix of suggested retail prices and current prices as of December 2023. Prices may change without prior notice. Let's have a quick recap first with the Xiaomi budget phones. The cheapest of them all is the Redmi A2 Plus, which sports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, and 5,000 mAh battery paired with 10-watt charging. Its launch price was 3,999 pesos. Next up is the Redmi 12C, currently priced at 4,999 pesos. It has a 6.71-inch HD Plus display, powered by a MediaTek Helio G85, and packs a 5,000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging. Also launched this year was the Redmi 13C. Similar to the 12C, the 13C uses a Helio G85 chipset and has a 5,000 mAh battery. However, it boasts a slightly larger 6.70-inch HD Plus display and faster 18-watt charging. Interestingly, it shares the same price as the 12C at 4,999 pesos. Now we're going to Xiaomi's other sub-brand, the Poco C65. While it shares the Helio G85 chip with the others, it stands out with Corning Gorilla Glass protection on its 6.74-inch display and has a higher refresh rate at 90Hz. It also uses a USB Type-C port for fast data transfers. Software-wise, it comes with Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 14 for Poco skinned on top. This has a better software experience rather than the Go edition of the Android 12 seen on the previously mentioned Redmi budget phones. The Poco C65 is currently priced at 5,499 pesos. The last entry for the budget segment is the Redmi 12. This is arguably one of the best entry-level devices, currently selling for only 5,999 pesos. For the price, it offers a 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, a Helio G88 chipset, triple rear cameras, and a 5,000 mAh battery with 18-watt USB-C charging. It's even IP53 rated, making it splash and dust resistant. Now, let's climb up the price ladder and explore Xiaomi's entry mid-range offerings, starting with the Redmi Note 12 series. The base model boasts a stunning 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Under the hood lies the Snapdragon 685 processor with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It's also IP53 rated and packs a 5,000 mAh battery with faster 33-watt charging. The Redmi Note 12 had an introductory price of 8,599 pesos. Next, we have the Redmi Note 12S. This model features a smaller 6.43-inch AMOLED 90Hz display protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. It's powered by a Helio G96 chipset and boasts a triple rear camera setup with a 108-megapixel main lens and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Like the base model, it has a 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging support. The Note 12S is currently priced at 10,999 pesos. Then there's the Redmi Note 12 Pro, and as expected, it's even more powerful than the rest. Boasting a Snapdragon 732G chipset and quad cameras at the rear with 108-megapixel main lens. Its display is also AMOLED, but larger at 6.67-inch Full HD Plus and with smoother 120Hz refresh rate. As usual, it packs a 5,000 mAh battery but much faster 60-watt fast charging. The Redmi Note 12 Pro currently sells for 14,999 pesos. Poco strikes back with the Poco X5 5G. This one features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that reaches up to 1,200 nits of peak brightness and with a 120Hz refresh rate as well. Under the hood is a 5G-enabled chipset with the Snapdragon 695, triple rear cameras that feature a 48-megapixel main sensor, and of course, a 5,000 mAh battery with 33-watt charging. The Poco X5 5G retails for 14,999 pesos. This last one comes as a surprise even to me, because the Poco F5 is silently on sale for just 14,999 pesos. That's a huge discount from the original SRP of 20,999 pesos. The Poco F5 features a Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 chipset, 6.67-inch Full HD AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and triple rear cameras with a 64-megapixel sensor headlining the show. Just like the Redmi Note 12 Pro, it packs a 5000 mAh battery paired with 67-watt fast charging. It's also IP53 rated for splash and dust resistance. And that wraps up this list. Did they miss anything? What's the best one to pick under 15K? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you liked this video or found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and turn the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit ukitech.com to see update latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!